What's up? Welcome to the Sap Shop. My name's Dylan, and today I wanted to give you the secrets to Etsy. I wanted to tell you what I think will make you more successful. Because making this kind of stuff, cookie cutter stuff, doesn't always cut it, but it can. You can make simple things and be successful, but there's a secret to it. And there's a way to actually guarantee sales. So let's talk about it. So one big thing about Etsy is, why do people go there? They want unique items. They want customization. They want items they can turn into their own thing that's different for everybody. They want to be able to customize it. That's probably the biggest thing, is customization. Who wants to have the same thing as everybody else? Nobody does. Everyone wants to be unique. Everyone wants to have cool stuff. And customizing is a huge way to make something unique and cool. So a huge driving factor to Etsy is having something that you can customize, whether it be the color, a name, something like that. So if you're gonna make something, make it so somebody can be a part of it, build onto it, and make it their own. That's really the core of Etsy, is being able to make something unique. I have sold about 70 of these. This is my best seller right here. It is a shelf. As simple as they come. Monster truck themed shelf. But this is what makes it desirable. This is why I sell this thing for $120. This is why people pay that. For one, great craftsmanship, made by me. Number one, let's get that clear. But it's this right here. It's this nameplate where I put whatever kid's name. Let's put Noah's Monster Truck Garage, and boom, they love it. This is my biggest seller. And you know why? This is why I think why. Because you can customize it. You can make it perfect for any child. It is a cool idea. Do not take it because I do it better than you. It's just a cool idea coupled with awesome ways to make it even better. Customization. So for the next one, I want to show you what I'm making, because I'm going to be all nice and show you what I'm creating coming out of my brain. Ouija board planchettes with a magnifying glass in it, so it's a reader. Super cool. I'm also making handcrafted apples to go along with some bookends I'm making. I'm being unique. I'm really coming up with stuff that's off the top of my head. And then I also have these guys. Super plain, basic, pumpkins. This is fall decor, but I am coupling it with something that's more unique, which is like a fall decor vintage Halloween box that I'm going to make a set of, basically decor in a box for vintage Halloween. That's what I'm coming up with. I'm coming up with new ideas that I'm not seeing anywhere else. So you can make whatever you want. If you are going to make generic things that people everywhere is making, might be kind of simple to make, you better be the best at it. And that's how you're going to make them. People sell flags all the time. How many people are making flags, wooden flags? A lot. But there's some people that are really, really good at it, and they make some good money. Cutting boards. Everybody makes cutting boards. But if you're the best at it, you are going to go somewhere. And that's the thing. Hone your craft. That's the secret right there. Make the best product you possibly can. Make it unique. Make it customizable. And that's how you're going to succeed. That's how I've succeeded so far. I'm not saying I'm going to quit my day job, but I'm selling stuff and I'm having fun doing it. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and I'll have some more tips for you later.